One of the most well-known tourist locations in Vietnam is Mui Ne, which is located in Pan Thiet in the province of Binh Thuan. Due to the white sand beach that stretches across the turquoise sea and the rows of coconut trees, it has drawn a lot of tourists. The climate in Mui Ne is typical of the south of Vietnam, with two distinct seasons, the dry season and the rainy season. The dry season lasts from October to April, and the rest of the year is rainy season. Mui Ne is more beautiful at different times of the year. From September to December is the ideal time to visit Mui Ne. The weather is mild and a cool breeze is blowing. In addition, Mui Ne's scenery is stunning, including a crystal clear sea and enigmatic glittering white sand. You won't need to worry about changing your plan if you visit Mui Ne between September and December because of the heavy rain. You'll have the opportunity to visit both historical, cultural and natural attractions if you travel to Mui Ne. These places of interest may be found in Mui Ne, the area around Mui Ne, Pan Thiet and other places. The 1907 built Duc Tan School is situated close to the Cati River at 39 Trung Hy Street. It was the institution where Uncle Ho taught before moving to Saigon. Today the school serves as a museum where visitors may view artifacts from Uncle Ho's life. Here most of the possessions are still in good condition. A masterpiece of the Cham people is the Cham Tower complex. Despite being tiny to medium in scale, it embodies the fundamental architectural and ornamental styles of the ancient Cham. The tower was constructed in the most popular and exquisite architectural style of the Champa people, known as Hoa Lai. Northeast of the city of Pan Thiet, Rang Beach is located 15 kilometers away. White sand, a sea that is a brilliant blue, and straight coconut groves along the shore. When swimming in this area sea, you can see coral reefs and fish in a variety of eye-catching colors. When you get at Rang Beach, you can view submerged rocks and petrified coral reefs. Additionally, you can observe fishermen fishing in Rang Beach in the early morning. A busy atmosphere is created on the beach as the boats follow one another to the ports. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Hon Rom is a little uninhabited islet located near Mui Ne city's Long Son hamlet. The landscape of the island still exhibits the natural beauty of nature because it is not abused. The islet has various lovely beaches including Hon Rom 1 and 2, Tui Trang and others. All of them feature clear blue water without any reefs. These beaches are located on Rom Islet's southwest coast, while the island's east bank is home to a variety of shaped rocks. 110 kilometers from the town of Phan Thiet, in the Tuy Phong district, is where you'll find Cu Lao Khao. Thousands of different colored and shaped boulders surround the island. You'll get the opportunity to witness various varieties of the coral reef here if you visit the island. As an added bonus, you can enter the Yen Cave to enjoy the view. The Unknown Cave, which was formed by 3 sizable vertical boulders, is located next to Yen Cave. Many people have come to the cave to take pictures due to its appealing shape. In addition, you can explore the Fairy Well, Fairy Beach, and the Love Cave on the island of Curaçao.